Hi guys, I'm Scott and welcome to SBC Garage. Today we've got a 2016 Ram. We're about to put some 22s, wheels on it, 35-inch tyres, lift block, arch kit. Check it out, see what we do, see what you think after. First thing we're going to do is get this jacked up, get it on axle stands, get the wheels off, put the new wheels on, test fit them, see if everything fits nicely. That's the wheels on, test fitted, we're happy with the fitment. Next stage is put the rubber on the arches and get the rear arch fitted up. So we've just fitted the rubber with the adhesion that sits on the body. We've took the existing bolts out from the inner arch. And these are a direct replacement. There's no drilling, no cutting. Sit straight over the top and use existing bolts. So we've fit these 60 to 65mm arch extensions. One, just because they look good, but two, with the bigger wheels and tyres, they stick out further from the car, so these arches actually make the car legal again. They also make the truck look just sick. That's the rear arches, rear wheels fitted. It's a stock suspension, 35-inch tyres fit on. As you can see, plenty of clearance, no issues at all. With the arch kit that we've fitted, that covers the wheels that stick out that little bit more. So the next stage is, we'll move on to the front. We've actually got an 1.5" lift block that sits on the front end, so the truck sits level and gives us a clearance for the 35s on the front. Nothing ever really runs smoothly. The company have sent us out actual rear lift blocks and we need front lift blocks. The wheels and tyres won't clear the inner arches without lift blocks, so now we're just going to try and come up with a solution, maybe fabricate his own lift blocks so we can get these wheels moving. We managed to get around it. We took the rear cups and we modified them slightly and finally got this suspension fitted up. Sitting nice and level. We've got the arch kit on, the wheels are on, but we do know that on lock that a bit of arch does need trimming, so we're just going to fire the car up now, give it a turn, have a look where we're catching and trim necessary to make the wheels and tyres clear. See, just on the inside of the arch, we just need to do a little bit of trimming. We're on a full right lock, it just sits up into this recess, not affect anything on the car whatsoever. All it'll do is just give us a little bit of clearance on these big tyres. we've made the cut from the bottom of the inner arch. It makes no structural difference whatsoever. Doesn't impede on the car. You can't see it. If you look on the inside of the arch, basically it's just the bulge from this side that the wheel catches on. There's plenty of space behind the arch. There's no issues whatsoever. So we're going to chuck wheel back on, give it another turn, just make sure everything's fine, and it should all be good. On the standard truck, the Hemi badge would be here. To fit the arch kit, we've had to remove the Hemi badge kit because it came across the fitment of the arch. And we liked the clean look, so for the minute we're going to decided to take the Ram and the 1500 chrome badges off. They may be painted in black and put back on at the same time later at a date, but for now it's just we want a nice clean crisp look, so we're going to de-chrome it while we're at it. Managed to get all the chrome off on this side, the door trims, the Ram 1500 badge and the Hemi badge. This is the de-chrome side. If you flick over to the other side and have a look. So that's what's done for today, long day. Wheels are on, arches are on, lift blocks are on, full D-chrome. It's looking sharp. Let's get it outside, have a good look around it. But there will be more modifications on this vehicle. Stay tuned for further videos coming.
Yo guys, absolutely blown away. Check out the new truck. Just got the 22 rims, 35 tires. We got most of the chrome off so far. I absolutely love it. It is sick.